Happy morning children. Hope you all are doing good. I am your science teacher. I welcome you all for our science online class. Today I am going to revise our first lesson, that is know your body. Children, already you know the names of some parts of the body and you also know the jobs of these parts also. Let's learn in detail. Before that I am going to show the picture of a human body. See here, this is one human body and see this is head. Okay, then next one, this is eyes. Okay, above that you can see the eyebrow. Next one, what is this children? This is ear. Then this is nose. Here you can see the teeth. Okay. Then this is tongue. What is this children? This is lips. And this is the chest. Okay. And this is, you know what is this? This is abdomen. And next this is arm. Then hand and feet. Okay. Then this is the joints. Knee, heel, legs, etc. Children, in this lesson we are going to learn these parts in detail about skin, eyes, nose, ears and mouth. Next topic is limbs. You know what is limbs? The arms and legs are called limbs. Then next one, joints. Joints mean the two parts of the body were joined together. They are the elbow, shoulder, wrist, knee, hip, ankle and neck. Children, let's learn detail about these parts. First one is skin. Every part of our body is covered by skin. What is the job of skin, children? The skin job is to protect us. The skin also helps us feel things. The skin of the head is called scalp. Next one is the eyes. We see with our eyes. The eyes help us make out colors and shapes. The hair above each eye is called eyebrow. The eyelids and eyelashes protect our eyes. Children, the eyes open wide when we are surprised. This is our nose. We breathe with our nose. Air goes in and out of our body through the nostrils. The nose also helps us smell things. Next one, the ears. We hear with our ears. The ears help us make out the difference between loud and soft sound and sharp and dull sounds. Children, dogs, cats and many other animals can hear sound that we cannot hear. The mouth. We eat with our mouth. The teeth inside the mouth help us bite and chew the food. The teeth are fixed to the gums. The tongue is fixed to the bottom of the mouth. The tongue, teeth and lips also helps us to speak. Children, a baby does not have teeth when it is born. Teeth start coming out when a baby is about 6 months old. These are called milk teeth. Milk teeth start falling when a child is about 7. Now you are 7 children. I think your teeth will start to fall. Then all of you open your mouth wide and look into the mirror. How many teeth do you have, children? Do they all same? No, they are of different shapes. Next one is limbs. Children, you know what are limbs? The arms and legs are called limbs. Each arm has two parts. The upper part is called upper arm and the lower part is called forearm. Each leg also have two parts. The upper part is called thigh and the lower part is called foot. The joints. A joint is where two parts of the body are joined. The two parts of the arm are joined at the elbow. Our arm has 3 joints. The arm is joined to the body at the shoulder and it is joined to the hand at the wrist. What are the 3 joints? Elbow, shoulder and wrist. Like that, our leg also have 3 joints. The two parts of the leg are joined at the knee. The leg is joined to the body at the hip and it is joined to the foot at the ankle. What are the three joints? Knee, hip and ankle. Then our head is joined to the body at the neck. The joints helps us move. For example, we can walk, jump because of these joints. We can fold our fingers, we can take something, we can write using this hand because of these joints. Children, have you all got your book? This is our science textbook. Now we are going to see our first lesson. See here, this is our first lesson, know your body. And first we learned about skin. Okay, every part of the body is covered by skin. Then we saw about the eyes, the nose, the ears, the mouth, the limbs and the joints. Children, read the lesson 1 or 2 times. Now we are going to see the book back exercise. First one, fill in the blanks. Our body is covered by what, children? Skin. Skin or scalp? Skin. The hair above each eye is called, what is it? Eyebrow or eyelash? That is eyebrow. Third one, the two parts of the leg are joined at the knee or ankle. It is knee. Then fourth one, the arm is joined to the hand at the elbow or wrist. That is wrist. Upper part of the leg is called, what, children? Thigh or foreleg? Yes, it is thigh. Next one, match these. See here, children, skin, nose, joints, eyes, tongue, teeth. And this side we can see helps us breathe, help us chew, protect us, help us move, show how we feel, then helps us speak. Then first one, the skin, what will do, children? The skin protect us. And nose helps us breathe. Joints help us move. Eyes show how we feel. Then tongue, children, tongue help us speak. And teeth help us chew. Take next page. Write W for wrong and C for correct. Then first one, babies are born with teeth. Is it correct, children? No, it is wrong. Then the skin of the head is called scalp. Is it correct? Yes, it is C only. The teeth are fixed to the gums. Is it correct? Yes, it is also correct. The lips help us speak. Yes, we learned the lips, teeth and tongue helps us to speak. Then the eyelids protect the eyes. Yes, the eyelids and eyelashes protect the eyes. So it is also correct. The tongue helps us taste. The tongue helps us taste. Is it correct? Yes, it is also correct. Then seventh one, we and all other animals can hear the same sound. Is it correct? No. The dogs and cats and other animals can hear other sounds also. So it is wrong only. Next one, label this picture. See here, children, what is this? This is arm. A-R-M, arm. Then what is this? This is leg. See this side. Here, two parts of the hands are joined at the elbow. Is it correct? What is this? You know, this is wrist. W-R-I-S-T. Then what is this, children? This is forearm or upper arm? This is forearm. And what is this? This is upper arm. Then down, the upper part of the leg is called thigh. Then the two parts of the leg are joined at the knee. The leg is joined the foot at the ankle. Children, try to draw the picture of a human body in an A4 sheet and label it. Children, now all of you take your classwork and take the first page, and first you want to write the date. Okay, then on the top of the line you want to write lesson 1. Then next line write the heading, know your body. Then leave one line and write new words. What are the new words in this lesson, children? First one is scalp. S-C-A-L-P, scalp. Second one, germs. G-E-R-M-S, germs. Third one, eyebrow. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W, eyebrow. Fourth one, eyelid. E-Y-E-L-I-D, eyelid. Next one, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Sixth one, L-I-M-B-S, limbs. Seventh one, thigh. T-H-I-G-H, thigh. Eighth one, knee. K-N-E-E, knee. Ninth one, hip. H-I-P, hip. Tenth one, wrist. W-R-I-S-T, wrist. Then leave one line and write second Roman letter. Fill in the blanks. First one, our body is covered by what, children? Skin. S-K-I-N, skin. Second one, the skin of the head is called scalp. Third one, the hair above each eye is called eyebrow. Fourth one, the dash is fixed. The tongue is fixed to the bottom of the mouth. Fifth one, the two parts of the leg are joined at the knee. The upper part of the leg is called thigh. The head is joined at the body at the neck. Then leave one line and write the answer the following. Name any four body parts name any four parts of our body. Answer, eyes, nose, ears and head. Second one, what are limbs? What are limbs, children? The arms and legs are called limbs. Then leave one line and write the question. Paste the pictures of any four body parts. Children, you can paste any four body parts. Here I paste head and eyebrow. You can paste any body parts. Okay, children, let me ask some questions from this lesson. Okay, write true or false. First question, babies are born with teeth. Is it correct, children? Yes or no? No, it is false only. Babies have no teeth. Okay, then second one, the skin of the head is called scalp. Is it correct? Yes, it is true. And third one, the teeth are fixed to the gums. Is it correct? Yes, it is also true. Fourth one, the lips help us speak. Is it correct, children? Yes, it is true. We learned lips, teeth and tongue helps us speak. And the fifth one, the eyelids protect the eyes. Is it correct? This is also true. The eyelids and eyelashes protect the eyes. And sixth one, the tongue helps us taste. Is it correct? Yes, the tongue helps us to taste. Then seventh one, we and all other animals can hear the same sound. Is it correct? No, Dog, cats and many other animals can hear the sound that we cannot hear. So it is false. Okay children, copy the given classwork material in your classwork neatly and legible handwriting. Children, wash your hands, wear mask, eat healthy food. Stay home, stay safe. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.